Convex TS18 car Android GPS player, full system factory setting, full menu, setting, scroll it down, factory. So this is a factory setting. You have to key in a password 123456 for factory setting. If the high spec model, you have to set a Canbus. So select model. So before that, have to connect Wi-Fi for internet. Okay, Canbus, Canbox, depend on your Canbus is select which brand. Got Race, got Hiver or others, many different brand Canbus in market. So choose your car model, then click OK to update for your Canbus. Factory full menu setting, factory setting. So the panel key. So this is steering control setting. Okay, config info. Config info setting. Channel balance. You can do different setting. A logo setting. The startup logo. Okay, front camera channel. The front camera, TS18 is support for the front camera input and also auto front camera function. So for the front camera input, front camera channel, you have to connect to the CVBS in, CAN in. Okay, brick setting. Setting for PIP, picture in picture. Okay, this is a factory setting. About, so this is TS18 version, Convex, octa-core, 8-core processor, Cortex TMA55, main frequency 1.6 GHz. Okay, Canbus, a different brand. You have to choose it. General. So after setting, before that connect Wi-Fi. So network update for APK. Click OK. OK. Done. This is setting done. Okay, for the MCU update for the Canbus. Okay, after set Canbus, we'll auto back to the main page. Okay, so full menu setting, scroll it down, about. So TS18, 8-core processor, assault processor AK7604, radio is SI4755, Bluetooth 5.0. This is sample for 4GB RAM, 32 storage. Resolution, screen resolution 1280 x 720 megapixel. Android version 12. So this is Convex TS18 Android car GPS player. So it supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, auto front camera function, fast boot on off, and a QLED. Thank you.